Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So it's been several days and our cars are ready to be put back together. We made sure everything's thoroughly dried so it's not wasting any time and just go right at it. First we're going to work on this Audi right here, put the interior back together, make sure everything's working properly, get it back on the road. It's time to get it done. We're going to make sure everything's wiped down, cleaned up, and get the carpet back inside. Alright guys, so this taillight was not working, so I went ahead and ordered another one. Got it in the bag, but unfortunately it looks different. Dang, let me show you. I tried to get the non-LED version, but this is the LED version, which I specifically said not to get, but look at that. Oh well, reorder it, get another one. For some reason that one's not working. And just like that, the Audi is definitely coming together. Back seats are in, center console. Man, that thing was kind of a pain in the butt. But overall not too bad. Get my front seats in, little plastic pieces here and there. This thing's gonna be done. Be on the road in no time. Not too bad, flooded Audi, but looking good now. It's just so nice when the seats are moving and all you gotta do is push it back. Awesome. So it's been about a week, been letting this Honda Accord dry. Man, it is just so rough all around. Scratches, dents, broken taillights, bumper misaligned, flat tire. Hey, this side looks pretty good. And then coming to the front, tape on the bumper holding it together. That's gonna need to be fixed. Can't even see out of the headlights. Surprisingly, these Honda Accords still hold value. I mean, they're good cars. This one's definitely in rough shape. We'll get it. I mean, the engine's there, you know. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely have to work on some stuff, like we're gonna do oil change, regular maintenance on it. But inside, even though we took it all apart, it still looks dirty, so first thing I'm going to do is basically just vacuum it all up, wipe it all down, make it look good from the inside out. Let's get it. All right, I got this thing vacuumed out, sprayed down. It's looking so much better. Ready for the carpet. This thing was definitely nasty inside, but you know, a little bit elbow grease and a little bit of love, make it all right. Let's get it finished. And just like that, the interior is put back together. Honestly, my favorite interior so far. Came together really nicely, everything clipped in properly. Yeah, Honda did a great job, really simple, easy to work with. All right, so I got the Honda Accord outside. Obviously there's a bunch of clips missing. Don't know why, but that all got popped off. Not a big deal. I'll definitely get that going. But my main issue is basically that rattling noise it's making. I don't know what it is, but my game plan is basically just to take off the serpentine belt and see if it's my power steering, my alternator. Hopefully it's one of those things and not the engine itself. But let me go ahead and start it so you guys know what I'm talking about. Inside looks really good though. I think the interior turned out great. You guys hear that? I don't know what it is. It don't sound good. Let's get that belt off and see what happens. All right, belt is off. Let's try it. Dang, still sounds bad. Dang, so I don't even know what the next step is. Let me know what you guys think, what we should do with it. Should we dig into it further, see what's going on? Should we just move on to a different project? We do have so much going on, but dang, win or lose, this one's kind of a loss for us, but it is what it is. It's okay, let's keep going, move on to the next project. Might as well do what I can. This taillight is definitely gone, seen better days. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that replaced. Definitely help out a little bit. All right, it's finally time to work on the Jeep Compass. Man, this thing is really nice. I think we picked it up for a great price. It's been a couple days out in the sun, definitely getting it all dried out. I actually replaced that shifter already, came in, but put a new one in because the other one, I don't know, got some corrosion in it or something, so didn't really want to mess with it, just go ahead and replaced it. Still got some damage in the hood right there. I don't know what we're gonna do with that guy, but let's go ahead and just put this one together. Alright guys, so we got 3 of the cars finished, put back together. The Honda Accord was kind of, a little difficult for sure. I don't think it has to do anything with the flood. It's just some vehicles are better conditioned than others, and that's part of it. Sometimes you pick up cars and it all happens so fast. You remember which car I look at, and you just click and bid, and then you win it. But that's part of the game. That's how we play sometimes. But I really like this Compass. I really like the other cars too. So, you win some, you lose some, but you got to keep going. That's not a problem. But I just like how different every car is, and every single time the situations we face, the problems we face, it's always unique. You never know what you're going to run into. It's kind of fun, kind of risky, but hopefully we get rewarding at the end. Hopefully we get these things on the road, drive them around, and sell them. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. We'll catch you next time.